how are you all? Today we will going to draw a easy bird. So let's make to start. Draw to start. Some materials will require pencil and eraser. We will require. So let's make here. Here. Then we will going to draw leaves. See, I have drawn the leaf. Again we have to draw a leaf. See, again now we will going to make a line here. Now we will going to draw a bird. Here, see, now we have to draw see, the bird is ready. Now we will going to draw a eye. See, the bird is ready. Now we will going to color the see, now the bird is ready. Now we will going to draw your one more. See, the bird is ready. And please like, subscribe, share on my videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon for our new notification. And okay, and don't forget to press the new don't forget to press the bell icon for our new notification, and please like, subscribe, share. Bye friends. Bye, and please try the drawing. Bye in your home. Bye, and thanks for watching our videos.